So with this, now may I please invite Mr. Ramachandran Gopalakrishnan. He's the chairman of Finosub Group and director Keiretsu Forum, Mumbai chapter, to to do the honors of the formal award ceremony. Gopala sir, in your gracious presence, we'll be starting the award ceremony. So before this, let me, just initiate the talk again and repeat my speech, what I have given in the first round of, the award ceremony. I know everybody would be waiting over here. And all the panel speakers, I hope you have joined again, the panel two speakers and the rest of the awardees over here. So ladies and gentlemen, we are now moving towards the most awaited segment of the day, the felicitation ceremony, the prestigious award, India's Top 30 Marketeers 2021. Years ago, we have been talking about the word called VUCA, as here we are, common man experiencing practically the VUCA world. We earlier used to take the reference of VUCA during the condition of war or any unprecedented situation in forces. The concept is gaining, new relevance to characterize the current environment. And I'm trying to link it with the brand and marketing leaders who are reinventing and reimagining, making decisions, planning forward, managing risk, foster changes, and solving problems. They are navigating successfully with proven records. ASMA is proud to announce that our respected jury members and organizing committee have carefully chosen the top 30 institutions of the country who are doing stellar work, and their marketing effort is clearly visible through strong brand equity of the institutions. We feel that you deserve to be recognized among India's top 30 marketeers. It's a matter of pride that your strategies and institutions' marketing effort are about to recognize amongst the best in India. ASMA, India's Top 30 Marketeers Summit, aims to honor the trendsetters in education marketing, who with their sharp marketing acumen are triggering admissions and strengthening brands of institutions. We are recognizing and honoring the brand, communication, marketing leaders with the prestigious award, India's Top 30 Marketeers 2021. May I please invite GR sir to kindly announce the winner names, the next top 15 winner names. 15 we have earlier announced.
Let's have the video first.
Yeah, may I please request the award video to be started.
Yes, and a lovely welcome again to all the awardees and the panelists, and my hearty congratulations to the earlier 15 awardees. What a finale to the session today. Participant after participant, speaker after speaker, panelist after panelist. When I heard them, I felt that the heart of the education industry is intact. Hello. I felt that the heart is intact because the marketing guys are the guys who run the activities for an organization. And as one of the eminent awardees said today, that the humility I see in the people who win the awards, saying that it's a team effort and it's because of the team I'm winning it on and for behalf of the team, that only shows team bonding and tells you what a great institution it is, what a culture that has been instituted, and how the students of today, the leaders of tomorrow, are being groomed by these wonderful institutions. I will be going over quickly. I thought, let me say this so that I keep some amount of suspense in the system. And I go over to announce the first award in the next 15 list, not necessarily in the order of priority. I'm going to be very clear. And the award goes to Dr. Ankur Saxena, Director Admission and Marketing, Sage University.
Yeah, congratulations, Dr. Ankur, your acceptance speech. And let me repeat. So once Mr. Jia will be, announcing the name, I request all the awardees to kindly give a minute in, acceptance speech about your journey and how do you feel today.
Surely. Thank you, Gopalji. First of all, I highly appreciate the efforts made by ASMA, College Dunia, and No Paper Forms to create and execute this event very nicely. I humbly accept this award on behalf of Sage University and my whole team. I would like to extend my sincere thanks for the award you have presented to me. Receiving this award is a great honor, even during this pandemic period. Sage University and our team has performed extraordinarily well, and we have created our niche in the market. This award particularly recognizes my work, and it gives an amazing feeling of getting an award for my continuous efforts I put in. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Hearty congrats, Dr. Saxena, once again. The next award goes to Dhimant Agarwal, Director, Digital Strategies, JCRC University. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. It's a great honor for me, and I humbly accept the award on behalf of the entire team of JCRC. It was great being in the ASMA Summit 2021 and with the other eminent speakers in the panel. Great learnings I'm taking away from here, from other speakers. And thank you very much, the team, the jury of ASMA, the friendship of JCRC and ASMA, NPF, College Dunia go long back. And I hope this continues to go this way. And I am really looking forward to an even more exciting upcoming academic session. So thank you so much once again, ASMA and the jury.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
The next winner is Mr. Saibal Chatterjee, General Manager, Academic Initiative, GLA University. Congratulations, Mr. Chatterjee.
Thank you so much. First and foremost, my heartfelt thanks to ASMA as well as College Dunia for nominating us, as well as, because I'm using the word us because it's a team effort, not it's my single effort. And to be very honest, in the total, this pandemic scenario, it has taught us that how to take the best from the odds, which has taught us in this entire pandemic session. And on behalf of GLA University, Mathura, and from the desk of our Honorable CEO, Sri Nijal Agarwal ji, I congratulate all the winners over here, as well as all the people in the education fraternity who were there in the entire pandemic time, fought by putting the hands together. First and foremost, a big salute to them, not only for giving us the opportunity like ASMA and College Dunia to get nominated here, as well as their effort also, which boosts us to do more good work for the education industry as well as student fraternity, and the best output we can showcase to the world that yes, we can do during the pandemic, after the pandemic, so on and so forth. Thank you, all of you. And last but not the least, thank Dr. Mr. Gopalakrishnan. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. That when you are coming from Mathura, Lord Krishna's blessings are also there to all the awardees and the winners.
Yeah, blessings to all the world, actually.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you.
My pleasure. Next.
Saibal sir and all the winners, I will just request, sorry to interrupt, please don't leave the session. We'll be waiting for a group photograph before everybody leaves, so that. Okay, okay. Yeah, sir. Please continue. Yes.
The next winner is Dr. Saranjit Singh, Director, Industry Engagements, KIIT University. And hearty congratulations, Dr. Singh.
Thank you, Gopal sir. Thanks to the entire team from InnoServe Group, ASMA, College Dunia, No Paper Forms, and all the stakeholders. I accept this award with all humility and gratitude on behalf of the entire fraternity, and as well as from my university, my management, all my colleagues here, all the students who have graduated, 60,000 alums, and 30,000 students who are currently studying. I am really humbled to be bestowed with this recognition to our university. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
And we move over to the next winner, and the winner is Mr. Devdeep Kanwar, Associate Director of Communications, Ahmedabad University. Congratulations, Mr. Kanwar.
May we request Devdeep sir? Hello.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, we can hear you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Gopalakrishnan. Thank you, Asma. Thank you, No Paper Form. Thank you, the College Dunia. These are the very resilient times that we have seen, and this entire recognition that just goes in a long way. I from Ahmedabad University, very humble at this experience. And a very special thanks and mention I love to give it to my Vice Chancellor, who believed in this entire cause that we will carry on this. This is a very tough time, and thank you. And maybe next year, we'll love to have a very physical, great space week on Amita. Maybe and carry on this conversation maybe on a dinner table. Looking forward to all of you.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Thank you.
Congratulations.
The next winner. The next winner is Mr. Maki Agarwal, Chief Manager, Marketing and Administration, Marketing and Admissions, Jain University. Congratulations, Mr. Agarwal.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank No Paper Form, ASMA for organizing this, and College Dunia for coming up with a wonderful idea and recognizing education marketing guys like us. It means a lot. Trust me, this makes us more responsible towards our work. I've always been telling our team that we every panelist will definitely agree to this, that we are just a beautiful duck in a pond, but the legs what they pull off below the water are the team. So no, this is completely dedicated to each and every marketing guy out there, whether it is in our university or any university or education sector. I would quickly like to thank my university's President, Chairperson, Dr. Chenraj Roychand, who has always been supportive. Some of my few mentors, Dr. Iswaran Iyer, Dr. Dinesh Nilkant, and Mr. Abdulji Seth. And last but not the least, Gopal sir, thank you so much.
My pleasure, and I think your words are so true. Very well said.
Thank you, sir.
The next winner is Mr. Gaurav Dadich. I hope that I pronounced it right. General Manager, Sales and Marketing, Birla Open Minds International. Congratulations to you, sir.
Thank you, Gopal sir. Yes, you pronounced it correctly. It's
Thanks.
Gaurav Dadich. Thank you for acknowledging my efforts in the field of marketing and branding. Thank you, Asma. Thank you, College Dunia, No Paper Forms, InnoServe. Thank you, guys. It's such a great initiative you guys are taking. And I am very grateful for all the jury members, for all the organizing committee members for this award. It is indeed a great pleasure for receiving this award. I'm so excited. I love what I do, and I know learning has no bound. Hence, I shall continue doing best in this field. It has been a beautiful journey so far. My journey with Birla Open Minds, where I could develop my skills in this field by each passing year. Hence, I would like to thank Mr. Yash Birla, the chairman of the group, Mr. Nirvan Birla, the director of Birla Open Minds. The journey, the road ahead for my marketing career is certainly long. However, I am well prepared and look forward to emerge as an outstanding marketer in the coming years and overcome all the challenges that come my way to stay true to my career. Thank you so much, guys, once again, and have a great evening ahead. Stay safe.
Thank you so much. The next winner is Silky Jane Marwa, Executive Director, Tulaz Institute. Congratulations.
Thank you, Gopal sir. I would like to congratulate Asma for keeping us all connected in the times of pandemic. And definitely College Dunia and No Paper Form for taking this beautiful initiative of actually branding the marketeers in the education sector. So a brief journey about me. I am really happy to receive this award, but yes, I would like to share a small story about me. I think in very soon in career and very young age, I actually started dreaming about branding and marketing. And that's what I think is this award is there for today. And Tulaz Institute and Tulaz International are two babies of mine, what I always call, because the time when I entered the education industry, the time was of press and the print media, but I was the one to introduce the digital marketing in the education sector, at least in my state. And I think we have been doing justice for that, and we've been able to place our organizations on the national map because of the presence of the digital. And thank you, of course, my entire team who has been constantly supporting us and getting new ideas, and whatever new idea, actually, I think they never say no. They really want to go apart and do that. So thank you for this opportunity. And again, I would like to congratulate each one of my team members from Tulaz International School and Tulaz Institute for actually getting this success today. Thank you so much.
So in a lighter vein, Silky, you brought a Silky vein in the digital marketing?
Yes, sure.
Great show. Thank you so much. Going over to the next winner, he is Dr. B. Sendil Kumar, Dean and Director, School of Allied Health Sciences, Vinayak.
I think we lost him.
I'm available actually.
No. I think we lost GR, sir.
Okay.
Will you please repeat the name again? Yeah.
Dr. Sendil Kumar. Could you hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm not able to switch on the video.
No problem. What happened to the video? Hello?
Video, the
Congratulations. Dr. Sendil Kumar, yes, sir.
Is he speaking?
Yeah. I'm audible?
Yeah, you are pretty much audible, sir. Please go ahead.
Yeah, but
Not
I'm not
visible.
able to...
You're audible, all right. You're not visible. That's the only thing.
But the host knows disabled my video. That's why.
Host, can you please help here? Hello.
Yeah, can you
Quickly.
help us?
Sir, already video is on.
Okay.
So it's not on. He says you cannot because the host has disabled it. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Artist greetings to the August gathering here. I am Dr. B. Senthil Kumar, Dean and Director of School of Allied Sciences, Vinayak Mission Research Foundation. My sincere thanks to Team ASMA and other stakeholders and the juries having chosen me as one of the top marketers in education 2021. This award being given in recognition for exemplary work in the field of marketing and branding in education makes me feel deeply honored. Congratulations to fellow award recipients too. Bringing an idea to life requires a great deal of effort and this effort had been the reason for my continuous and sustained success. I make sure that the delivery of standards of quality should be highly possible in all modes. So as you can see, it has obviously led to award. The task of identifying talents and awarding them is highly commendable, and my heartfelt wishes to ASMA for having me championing the cause of building knowledge sharing platform and business ideas. Award will not only bring happiness, also motivates us to do better, achieve more success in the future, but makes it our responsibility to deliver the best. I once again thank you to ASMA and the stakeholders and the juries for choosing me as a top marketers in education 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kumar.
Congratulations.
The next person who's been the winner in today's list is Damayanti Barua, Head Marketing and Advocacy, the Infinity School, Salem, Tamil Nadu.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to ASMA, College Dunia, and the esteemed jury for honoring me with this prestigious award. Thank you to No Paper Forms and all the partners who made this happen in this difficult time. It's a great initiative. I'm so glad to accept this award on behalf of my institution, the Infinity School. This recognition brings a lot of joy and, of course, a big responsibility along with it, I guess. The responsibility of collaborating with our peers and supporting the aspiring marketers or our teams with ample direction and a great springboard for the next leap. So we are already in the digital mode, we are already in the digitized. So what next? That's the way forward. So we are here, and what next? I mean, what best than this kind of forum which ASMA has brought together? That's an excellent opportunity for all the marketers, and it's a great recognition platform. Thank you again, and congratulations to all the winners.
Thank you so much. The next winner, Vikrant Vashisht, Head Marketing and Admissions, Maharshi Markandeshwar University. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, Gopal sir. Thank you. Very good evening to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank ASMA for organizing such an event to appreciate and recognize the effort of education marketeers. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Gopal sir, for such a wonderful event. And
Pleasure
working during COVID was very tough and challenging. And challenges always gives us the opportunity to stick to new and innovative technologies so that we can come out of it. So at the time of COVID, my whole team was in the earlier stages. It was full of uncertainties, fears, and ambiguities. But by sticking to such latest technology and AI, especially No Paper Form, College Dunia, and all platforms, finally we emerged as victorious. And I would like to share the information that this year we achieved 7% more than last year figures. So thank you very much for these latest technologies combined with AI. That's, I think, 21st century's most strongest weapon. And in the last, I would like to thank our chairman, sir, of the University, Maharishi Markandeeshwar University, Maulana, giving me the opportunity to serve the organization. Thank you very much. Thanks all. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The next winner is Rajinder Goyat, Head Admissions, Jagannath University. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much, Asma Group and College Dunia. I'm audible?
Yes, very much so. Please go ahead, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks for the group of the Asma and College Dunia and participation, jo marketing persons. It's a very pandemic time of the 2020, but we are achieved more than 10% admissions from last year because of the new quality of things of IT. Hello.
Yeah, you're audible, sir. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Yeah. New things of College Dunia and Asma groups like No Paperwork, like new social media events. Because of we are the stability in rural area. Behalf of Jagannath University, we are our team and chairman person, Mr. Deepak Gupta ji and Professor Sumer Singh and Dr. R.K. Bahal. We are the team of the journey. We are achieved 10% more than last year admissions. Thank you. Thank you. College Dunia.
The next winner is Ankit Garg, CMO of the World University of Design, Sonipat, Punjab. Congratulations to you.
Good evening, everyone. Thanks to all the organizer and all the jury members for giving me this award. I've not prepared any speech as such, but let me just say what is coming to my mind right away. So I joined World University of Design 5 years back, and over the years, we have achieved many things, and definitely the win is of the entire team. Therefore, I would like to dedicate this award to all my team members at World University of Design. Important thing I would like to mention here is that, see, it is not about just one campaign. To achieve success, it is about consistently doing the right thing again and again. So another thing which I've heard most of the people saying is that education marketing is not a rocket science, but I would say that we need to run it like a rocket science. Thank you everyone for the award. I humbly accept it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The next winner is Anshuman Srivastava, convener, Center for Corporate Communications and Senior Manager Admissions Marketing, BIMTech. Congratulations to you, Ankit.
Good evening, everyone. I hope I'm audible.
Yes, Anshuman, you're audible.
Okay. At the outset, I'm extremely grateful to the jury members and the organizing committee for this honor. After Credit should go to my institute where I am working for the past 12 years, that is BIMTech, for giving ample space, flexibility, and freedom to work and experiment a lot in the field and domain of social media marketing. I must also express my gratitude to our visionary director, Dr. Harivansh Chaturvedi, for all his support and foresightedness in realizing the strategic importance of social media marketing for institutional outreach. In fact, due to his visionary leadership, we could calibrate and consolidate our position across all social platforms very early than our peers. Thank you once again for this recognition and honor, and many congratulations to the fellow awardees as well.
Thank you, Anshuman. And last but not the least, we come to the last winner of the day, and that happens to be Dr. Ramanjit Singh, Dean, Marketing, Planning, and Corporate Affairs, Om Sterling Global University, Hisar. Congratulations, Dr. Singh.
Thank you very much, Gopal sir. I am really honored for this award, and I first of all appreciate the efforts done by College Dunia, No Paper Forms, ASMA for the promotion of the education industry in this period of pandemic. This award and this achievement could not be possible for me without my team efforts. So I really accept this award on behalf of my team and on behalf of the Om Sterling Global University. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Singh. And with this, we come to the end of the awards ceremony today. I can't but say, yes, it was a wonderful, wonderful session and a wonderful finale to the function that we had from morning to the evening, an event to be remembered and savored for times to come, with only promise from the Inner Serve Group and ASMA that we will come out better, bigger, stronger in the next session, with more and more people joining us and ensuring that ASMA will be doing for education in a manner in which education is highlighted like never before. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And once again, a hearty congratulations to all the 30 deserving award winners. Thank you so much. Over to you, Rahul.
Chandan?
Yeah, please continue.
So let's have a quick photo first before we
Yes.
see people dropping out. So
Yes.
we may
Requesting everybody to
request
please,
everyone to please open the cameras. Thank you, Ramanjit sir. You are only missing. Hello.
Mr. Ramanjit.
Just a minute, sir. Just a minute.
No problem. So I think the Beacon team, yes, Ramanjit sir is also here. So can we have a quick photo, please? Thank you, everyone. And let me congratulate each one of you for winning this award today. Before I really go and talk a little more about how the whole thing happened, I feel very emotional about this moment all the time. This is the third edition that we are experiencing of top 30 marketers in education today. In the last 2 years and today, I think we have covered a wide spectrum of Indian higher education and a little of the school segment, where we could recognize the great work being done by the marketers who actually are the force behind the whole, ecosystem. While we can always attribute the end result to the cumulative effort being taken by all stakeholders of a university, but I think, the custodian of the brand of a university are here today in front of us. The way we lead, the way our teams actually, follow the direction, I think defines how our brand perception is going to be. The way we bring innovation to the table, the way we remain agile to, technology, the way, we all as marketers actually keep innovating, I think also determines the DNA of the given brand university that we are representing. So I think there goes a lot more than what anybody can see. When we say that we have achieved 10 and 30% more than last year, so the efforts are phenomenal. The pain that is being taken is huge, and the strategies are very carefully drafted. So a great, kudos to all the one who are here and all the one who have actually won the awards before. And I'm so glad at ASMA that we could take the lead in this particular front. I remember the first edition of Top 30 Marketers in Education. And it was that moment, when nobody was actually willing to first understand that, even a marketer can be given a recognition, because nobody ever before Top 30 Marketers in Education in India, when we brought in, nobody ever before have actually done this kind of effort, and people were questioning the intent. People were actually doubting the whole, premise. And today I think we have come a long way. Already 100 plus recipients of this award represents the large Indian community. And obviously, most top brands have already received it. And this gradually is allowing me to actually go to tier 2 and do more, recognitions, which eventually is creating a whole ecosystem around us, from where we can see through and take inspirations from. So we can actually follow each other. We can try and actually leverage from the knowledge and experience. And we keep doing conferences, where we bring people like you together to share your experiences and knowledge, and eventually the whole country get benefited. I really wish to take this opportunity and appeal to all of you that we need more support, more participation from your side. At times when we take initiatives with no, I don't think that there is another idea behind doing all these initiatives. The whole premise is to actually recognize you, recognize your effort, and eventually create that go-to situation for anybody who want to reach out to you to offer their products, their experience, their knowledge. So it becomes very easy for the ecosystem to operate intellectually. So I think we can contribute in many ways together, and I request all of you to please extend your support. We are open to articles, we are open to every possible contributions that you think you can give to us, as at the same time help us ideate. Tell us that what more should we do in order to actually have more buzzing ecosystem. ASMA, when started, was a simple research idea, adaptation of social media and academia way back in 2013. From 2013 to 2021, I think we have come a long way. We have had opportunities to host the best of the academia and the country. We still need a lot more content to enrich the whole ecosystem, and that's the appeal I wish to place, taking this opportunity. Let me thank you everyone, starting from College Dunia, who has been a great support in this particular project and share the passion with us. I'm thankful to No Paper Forms, who has been a constant, supporter, doing various initiatives with us. I'm thankful to our associate partner Extra Age, our digital partner FMA Digital. I'm thankful to Orai Robotics. I'm thankful to our community partner Digital HR. And then I'm thankful to each one of you and all the audiences who have been patient enough to be with us today. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, GR sir, for your constant motivation and inspiration. We certainly at InnoServe Group are looking to do much more than what we have been doing under your able leadership and guidance, sir. Thank you so much. So with this, we would like to conclude the evening. GR sir, I think you're saying something.
No. Perfect.
Thank you. So I must thank Chandan Anand for his constant, effort, because I can always give some direction, but I think he's the main behind everything that happens at ASMA.
Rahul, I just wanted to say that. That was the only thing.
Go ahead, sir.
I wanted to just add that, okay, we are there. I must be saying this very honestly, that but for Chandan, this would not have happened the way it is happening. And he has been a person who has been passionately in love with these activities, and the dedication and zeal that he brings to the table is awesome. Chandan, keep up the good work. We are so proud of you. And at InnoServe, we all feel that you have brought that extra energy and passion to the system. Thank you so much, Chandan.
It's all possible, sir, because of the kind of support and the encouragement which is been coming from Mr. GR, Mr. Rahul, and this congratulations should go to each and every one of the team members who are equally responsible in making this journey so successful and so vibrant. All my team members, if I name them, it would I'll be happy to do that. Mr. Abhilash Kalal, he's our designer. Mr. Ashish Jain, Ashish Muglu, Rahul Binoy, Rahul Dase, Rutuja, Sudha, Sayyad, Tanu, and Varsha. So all these strong pillars and strong team and army which we have, it makes the ASMA team, in true sense, the winning team. So thank you so much, team. Thank you so much, GR and Rahul, for this support and encouragement. Thank you so much, all the partners, all the listeners, and congratulations finally to all the awardees in this prestigious movement, and keep this journey going ahead. Keep allowing us, in coming up with so much of great ideas. Just before ending, I would like to again announce that we are again coming up with 2 more exciting series of events, which is a part of this journey. One is that in a couple of days, we are coming up with top 30 EdTech companies of India, who are in a true sense the technology partners with all leading education institutions. So top 30 EdTech companies of India. And after that, we are coming up with one more exciting event, 40 under 40. So again, we are recognizing 40 great leaders in education who have been, taking this journey of education in this unprecedented time. And we are getting this opportunity to recognize these 40 young leaders of education. So with this, stay tuned, stay safe, stay happy, and please subscribe the channel, like the channel of ASMA. We are there on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Be updated with that. Namaste to everybody.